Before this video ends, more than 10 million euros will vanish in impulse buys no one planned. At the same time, about 1.4 billion adults have less than 1,000 euros in savings, and nearly half of them live with chronic money stress. That's why, for a generation raised on smartphones, financial education must evolve into tools we'll actually use. So what does a real solution look like? Meet Aisance Way, a modern financial system that works through one simple, intelligent app. It's built around the 7-step method that helps you reduce stress, take control of your money, and build lasting financial independence with clarity and structure. It all begins with one habit: tracking your income and expenses daily, quickly and effortlessly through the Aisance app. From there, the system guides you step by step toward a more stable, confident life. Here's how the 7 steps work. Step 1. Build a 1-month emergency fund. Create your first financial cushion so you're no longer one unexpected bill away from crisis. Step 2. Clear small debts. Remove the daily pressure of lingering credit and free up your focus and energy. Step 3. Save for 3 months of living. Build real flexibility. A 3-month reserve gives you options to switch jobs, reset, or move. Step 4. Set midterm goals. Whether it's travel, tools, or education, set clear, achievable goals and make steady progress. Step 5. Move toward assets. Plan for a home. Start a side income stream. Let your money work for you, not the other way around. Step 6. Build passive income. The system helps you identify what aligns with your interests, lifestyle, and long-term goals, and turn it into sustainable income. Step 7. Help others once you're ready. When you're financially secure, you unlock the ability to support others and live with deeper purpose. So, finally, Aisance isn't just about budgeting or planning. It's a modern tool built on resilient architecture. And at the heart of it all is your personal AI assistant, like me. I can speak English, French, or any other language. I analyze your habits, spot patterns, and offer tailored suggestions to help you save smarter, spend better, and build the life you want. This is Aisance. Simple, practical, designed to work.